Hey y'all, we got interrupted in that last video, so I'm gonna pick up where we left off doing drops per minute. I'm Julie, the nursing tutor. Hey, I'm gonna scroll to number 7 so don't get dizzy. Oops, wait, yeah, here we go. So look at here. Just to remind you, the formula for drop factor is the total volume times the drop factor divided by the time in minutes. So this says the physician prescribes an IV of 100 milliliters of D5W to run at 100 milliliters per hour. The drop factor is 10. So you see this right here, the 100 milliliters per hour, that's telling us the total volume, 100 milliliters, is going in over 60 minutes. And the drop factor is 10. Let me do 10 DF. I hope this don't throw you to the left, but we're going to do all the math on the top and divide it by that on the bottom. So we're doing 100 times 10 equals, divided by 60 equals 16.6 drops. And you know that 6 is going to make this 6 a 7. And so it'd be 17 drops per minute. Look, we saved them. Oh yeah, we did. We saved them. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so this one says the physician prescribed an IV of 500 milliliters of Ringer's lactate at 75 milliliters per hour. The drop factor is 15. Now you see how the total volume is 500 milliliters, but they didn't say over how many hours. However, they did give you that it's running at 75, that it should run 75 milliliters per hour. So this is what we can use for our total volume and our time in minutes. Okay, so we'll do 75 because otherwise we can't use 500. He didn't tell us how many total hours. I mean, we could figure it, but why figure it when we could use this right here? 75 milliliters times a 15 drop factor divided by 60 minutes. I hope you see that because they're going to give that in this one. That 500 milliliters is a distractor. So we're going to do all the math on the top and divide it by the number on the bottom. Here we go. 75 times 15 equals, divided by 60. That will be 18.75, which would be 19 drops per minute. Just put that on there, drops. My G's are kind of throwed, but look at here. Boom, boom. We saved them. Okay, let's do another one. Look at, y'all gonna be like, what? So the physician prescribed an IV of 250 milliliters of normal saline to be run in at 50 milliliters per hour. The drop factor's 20. How much you gonna run it at? So again, we're gonna use 50 milliliters per hour. The 250 in this problem would kind of be a distractor. So look at here. If it's sideways, just kind of turn your head or something, I don't know. So the total volume is 50 milliliters times a 20 drop factor divided by 60 minutes. When they give you this and they tell you that it's going at so many milliliters per hour, you're going to use the so many milliliters per hour to work it. So here we go with our handy dandy calculator. We're doing all the math on the top and dividing it by the number on the bottom. And you see how I put that. Be sure and put that so there's no question in your mind. You know what you're talking about. 50 times 20 equals, don't look at it, you're not done, divided by 60 equals 16.6 drops, which the 6 is going to make that other 6 a 7, so it'd be 17 drops per minute. Ba-ba-ba! We did it! We saved them. Okay, let's do another one. So, you are to give 50 milligrams of an antibiotic and 100 milliliters of D5W over 30 minutes. The drop factor is 15. Let me get my papers. Okay. So the 50 milligrams is a distractor. You don't need that to work this. Your total volume is going to be 100 milliliters times a 15 drop factor divided by 30 minutes. And then we're just doing the math like an Olympic gold medalist. Yes, we are. 100 times 15 equals, divided by 30. It's going to go in at 50 drops per minute. Okay, look at here. Look at here, we saved them. Look at here, look at here. Girl, look at here. Or boy, look at here. Okay. Let's do this one. This is the last one. Because TikTok says you only got like a 26-second attention span. I don't think TikTok's been to nursing school, though. The physician prescribed an IV of 1,500 milliliters of Ringer's lactate solution to infuse over 20 hours. And the drop factor is 15. So the total volume, 1500 mLs times a 15 drop factor divided by 20 hours. So we have to do 20 times 60 because it's got to be in minutes. 20 times 60 is 1,200 minutes. Okay, so now we've set our formula up and we're doing the math. All the math on the top divided by the number on the bottom. So count your zeros. 1, 5, boom, boom. Times 15 equals, don't look at it, you're not done. Divided by 1200 equals 18.75 drops. And that, you can't give 0.75 of a drop. So it has to be rounded to a whole number. And that's going to round to 19 drops per minute. And look, boom, we saved them. Yeah, that's all it is. Okay? And I hope that y'all make 100 on every single math test you have. If you got any other types of problems that you need help with, please put it in the comments. If you like it, like the video. If you want more, put more in the comments. Please share and share and share. You know, it helps the girl out. And I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Bye, y'all.